In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Sezzle Spend to shop on Amazon and split your total into 4 easy payments. While Amazon does not have a native Sezzle button at checkout, you can still use your Sezzle virtual card to get the job done. First, open the Sezzle app on your smartphone and log into your account. Look for the virtual card tab at the bottom of the screen. If you have not activated your card yet, follow the quick prompts to add it to your digital wallet. Once your card is ready, open the Amazon app or website and add your favorite items to your shopping cart. When you are ready to pay, proceed to the checkout screen and look for the Payment Methods section. Instead of using your regular debit card, select the option to add a new credit or debit card. Now, head back to your Sezzle app and copy your virtual card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Enter these details into the Amazon payment field, just like a standard credit card. Save the card and finish your purchase as usual. Sezzle will charge your first installment immediately, while the remaining 3 payments will be scheduled every 2 weeks. This is a fantastic way to manage your budget while still getting the things you need right away. Make sure you have enough funds for that initial payment to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. That is all there is to it. Happy shopping!